The Edo State House of Assembly on Wednesday don't start impeachment proceedings against the State Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu. The majority leader Charity Agwabaweyanwe announced the impeachment notice during plenary. Contalk said the petition dated March 5th, they signed by 21 out of the 24 members against the Deputy Governor.
People of that is not constituency, and by God's grace, the majority leader Edo State House of Assembly. Mr. Speaker, we have a petition brought pursuant to session 188, sub 1, 2A of the Federal Republic. Mr. Speaker, the petition dated 5th day of March 2024 is addressed to the State Office. Mr. Speaker, the said petition is for an impeachment notice on the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Philip Shaibu. The said petition, sir, is sent by 21 members of the Edo State House of Assembly, which is by far above the 1/3 requirement as stipulated in the Constitution of the Federal Republic. The petition is based on two grounds, and we urge that Mr. Speaker cause the service of this petition on the resident. We thank you, Mr. Speaker.
The Speaker of the House, Right Honorable Blessing Agweba, could come receive the petition and come direct the Clerk of the House, Yaraya Omogbai, to serve Shaibu the impeachment notice. Agweba could come also give the Deputy Governor 7 days to respond to the notice of impeachment.
I hereby acknowledge the receipt of the impeachment notice dated 5th of March 2024. Clerk is hereby mandated to cause the service of this notice on the respondent, Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Philip Shaibu, promptly, and he has 7 days to respond to this petition. Furthermore, members should serve with this petition. This is the clerk, take notes.
After the plenary session, Honorable Charity Agwabaweyan for in talk with Tori People Contalk say,
this morning I presented to Mr. Speaker a notice brought pursuant to section 188 sub 1 and 2A of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, to the effect that the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, show cause why he will not be impeached as the Deputy Governor of the state. The reasons as contained in the said notice are two. Number one reason is that sometime last year, July last year, he filed on the 26th of July, as a matter of fact, he filed a suit against the three organs of government: the legislature, the judiciary, and the executive, and disclosed, knowing it to be false, informations that are not true, that are baseless, and more importantly, he filed under oath matters that are top government secret, contrary to his oath of office as embedded in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And you know all that the Constitution is the ground norm, and any infraction of it leads to a punishment, because it seems to undermine the very essence of the power you wield. So by doing that, the House, 21 members of the House signed the petition. That's for you to know how popular this sentiment is. that is between the majority and the minority members. We are adamant that we are tired of the embarrassment that is consistently being given to the Edo State government, and that it should go and find another thing to do. We are ready to press it. We are ready to make sure that it's investigated, and if found guilty, the proper actions will be taken. We know the steps to be taken. There are several steps to be taken, but this is the first step. That is for him to know that this is the allegation. It is yet an allegation. This is an allegation against you. Answer to them. If the answer comes and is satisfactory, the matter ends there. If it is not satisfactory, a motion will be moved, supported by 2/3 majority of the House, and the matter will now be slated for investigation. And the main plank of that investigation is the Chief Judge of Edo State setting up a committee of 7 men that are apolitical to review the allegation against him, and if they find him guilty, they bring it back to us for consideration. Whether he responds or he doesn't respond, the process has been set rolling, and it continues to roll. Anything that stands on his way is crushed.
The impeachment notice na the latest palaver between the State Governor Godwin Obaseki and the Deputy Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, who know they agree with each other since last year when Shaibu announced the intention to run for the office of the Governor of the state. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Edo State House of Assembly, Ekata Ojeseli, TMC TV News.